Namaskar. Welcome to this edition of the News Bulletin. In the headlines today, construction of booster pump house at Brahmani Waterworks of RSP commences. API familiarization program organized at HRDC. And saplings to be presented along with long service awards from this year. Now the news in details. The construction work of the booster pump house at Brahmani Waterworks Sector 8 of Rourkela Steel Plant commenced with groundbreaking ceremony held at the site on 7 February. Mr. P.K. Pradhan EDP&A performed the rituals in the presence of many senior officers of the plant. The pump house will accommodate 4 new booster pumps, each of 3 million gallons per day capacity. These pumps will propel water from Sector 8 Brahmani Waterworks to Sector 20 Hilltop through a newly laid pipeline. Besides, a sump of 700 cubic meter volume will be constructed to store the water brought from the Tarkera pump house. The project cost is about Rs 3.16 crores. It is worth mentioning here that after the severe water crisis faced by the steel township last summer because of the drying up of River Kuel, RSP has been taking a number of initiatives to address the summer water scarcity problem this year. The measures being implemented under the guidance of Mr. Ashwini Kumar, CEO RSP, include a project to link the Tarkera pump house with Brahmani Waterworks Sector 8 and Water Purification Plant Sector 20. The new booster pump house will play a key role in this scenario. A one-day familiarization program on API Q1 9th edition and API 5L 45th edition was organized as a mandatory requirement of API certification at HRD Center on 4th February. Mr. C. Muthuswamy, GM PPC, and Mr. N.K. Samantrai, GM BE, were present in the inaugural function. In all, 32 participants from SWPP, ERWPP, Pipe Coating Plant, RSM, HRDC, Contract Cell, PIVD, Personnel General Administration, RNC Laboratory, PPC, Material Management, and CMO Kolkata attended the program. The sessions on API Q1 9th edition was taken by Mr. B.S. Padi, Senior Manager BE, and Mr. Anubinda Mohanty, AGM BE, while the session on API 5L 45th edition was taken by Mr. C. Muthuswamy. The objective of the program was familiarize the participants with API standards so that the required compliance is adhered to at each step in the course of manufacturing of pipes. This would help in the process of on-site audit and evaluation for retaining API license, which is renewed every 4 years. It is worth mentioning that both the ERW and SW pipe plants of RSP are licensed to produce API pipes since 1963, the first to do so in India and amongst first 100 companies in the world. American Petroleum Institute specification API 5L covers seamless and welded steel line pipe used for transportation systems in the petroleum and natural gas industries, whereas API Q1 is the 9th edition of Quality Management System specification for manufacturing organizations to the petroleum and natural gas industry. The program was coordinated by Mr. A. Mohanty, AGM BE, and Ms. M. Mitra, AGM HRD. Mr. A. Dasgupta, DGM RCL, proposed a vote of thanks. With the objective of spreading the message of Go Green, a new initiative has been launched by the Personnel Welfare Section. Every year, long service awards are being presented to the employees who complete 25 years of service in the company as a token of appreciation for their commitment. As a part of the award, employees are being presented with a certificate and a Salem stainless steel dinner set. In the current year, 713 employees of RSP who have completed 25 years of service in SAIL in 2016 will be receiving the Long Service Awards. This year, however, they will be receiving a sapling of a permanent tree along with the certificate and dinner set. This will encourage them to adhere to eco-friendly activities. In line with this, Ms. Bijaya Mishra, DGM Personnel Non-Works, presented saplings to 2 employees of RSP during handing over of the dinner sets at the Personnel Welfare Section on 6th February. This initiative has been taken with the support of Horticulture Unit of RSP. And with this, we have come to the end of today's news bulletin. Namaskar.